Hey there, John Ferryman from Balance Physical Therapy and Human Performance Center here, finalizing our series on our core values. Remember, the acronym here at Balance for our core values is the word STRONG, S-T-R-O-N-G. Today we're going to cover the G, guidance to others. What does that mean? As a physical therapist, we're constantly educating, we're demonstrating, we're talking with our patients and with each other, we're educating our colleagues and learning from our colleagues all the time. But what I'd like you to think about when you think about guidance to others is what I describe as being a lighthouse. As the founder and CEO of the company, I've got a lot of things coming at me all the time, as you might imagine, with 7 outpatient clinics, just shy of 40 providers and growing, and we're moving, okay? We're busy. Guidance to others means being a lighthouse. It means you're immovable. It means you stand for something. And here in our company, we stand for our core values: service to patients, team leadership, readiness to learn, outstanding initiative, notable positivity, and guidance to others. So when you think about the lighthouse, what does a lighthouse do? A lighthouse shines a light so that the boats don't run aground. They don't run into the rocks. It guides them on their way. So as a physical therapist, you're guiding your patients all the time. What about guiding yourself? What about standing for a set of core values? What about standing up for what your company stands for, wherever that might be, or whoever they might serve? Okay? Guidance to others means every single day you are providing value. Why? Because that's why patients are coming to see you as a physical therapist. Value, okay? Value and relationships. They've got a relationship with you as their therapist, great. They want to come see you. They want to come back. Why? Because you're a relationship. And then the guidance that you're giving them to rehabilitate from whatever it is they're trying to get past. Value. Dollars will follow value, always, in any business. You spend your dollars where you perceive there to be value, don't you? Well, the same is true for us as physical therapists. If we want patients to come see us, whether we're in their network or out of their network, and we want them to spend their hard-earned dollars with us, we have to provide value. And in our practice, we call that guidance. Guidance to others every single day. If you're interested to learn more about Balance Physical Therapy here on the beautiful Central Coast of California, please visit us at balancept.com or visit us on Instagram at balanceptmove. Thanks so much.